will show you today how to crochet a granny square shoe. Let's start. I am using needle of 2.5 mm and 3 ply wool. Now start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now double crochet in the last one, in last chain. 1, 2, 2 times in the last chain. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. Again make 3 double crochet. Three double crochet in same chain. Again chain 2, make 3 double crochet more. 1, 2, 2, and this one is my third. Now again chain 2, make again 3 double crochet in same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now I have 3 square, 3 corner. Now I am making fourth one, chain 2 and insert in the third chain. This is our first row. Okay, cut the yarn, pull it and make it tight. Now cut both yarn. Now I will change my color of yarn. Make a knot. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Make double crochet in the same space. Again double crochet. Now make 2 chain and again 3 double crochet in the same space. Now to the next corner or space, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, make 2 chain and make 3 double crochet again. See, it will like this. Now complete all corner like this. Now I finished my 4 corner with 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. Now in the last I will make a slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Now cut the yarn and make a slip stitch. tight it. Now I will change my color of yarn again. Insert your hook one of the corner, tight it and make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and make 1 double crochet. Now I will make double crochet in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. Now I am not making any corner. Now do as same in this corner as I did before in this corner. Okay, 1 and 2. Now I will chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, 20, 21 and 22. Now I made the last one stitch. Now I will make 2 double crochet in the first double crochet stitch, 2. Now in the corner space I will make 1 double crochet, and now in every stitch make double crochet. In every stitch make double crochet. See, now in this space I will not increase or make any 3 double crochet. I will make only 1 double crochet, only 1 double crochet, no chain, no increase, nothing, and make another double crochet in the next stitch, and then make double crochet in the next stitches. Now again I am here with the corner, make only 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, and do this till to the end. Now this, in this corner make 1 double crochet. Now 2 double crochet like before. Now we have to make slip stitch in 3rd chain, 1, 2, and this one is the 3rd chain. Now make slip stitch. Now it will look like this. Okay, I'll be back in a moment. Now fold the shoe, upper part of the shoe, and make a stitch mark. Put the stitch mark in the middle of the shoe. Now I will start from here. Chain 3, chain 3, make double crochet in the next stitch, in the next stitch double crochet, make double crochet in all stitches. When you reach in the middle of the center of the shoe, now stop here. When you have one chain left before the stitch marker, remove the stitch marker and decrease 3 stitches together. Okay, pull 1, again turn the yarn, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull yarn, do 1 crochet, again turn in the next stitch and pull. Now you have 4 stitches on your hook. Now pull the yarn all of it, and again make double crochet in the next stitch. Now make double crochet till we reach to this corner, to the second corner. Now this is the second corner. Do double crochet in this stitch, and now I will decrease 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 times. One, two, and this one is my last decrease. Now in the middle of the square, in the space, this double crochet we will make as double crochet as I did here in this. Now make double crochet to the end till here. I hope you will understand all my instructions. Now make slip stitch in the third chain. See, it will be like this. Now I start my work from here. 1 2 3 chain, make double crochet again in the stitches. 1 2 3 4 When you reach to the decrease, this one, don't do double crochet in this stitch. We will do as I did before, decrease in 3 stitches. I will insert in the first one, crochet, then again, and I have 4 loops on the hook. Now pull the yarn in all of it and make double crochet again in every stitch to the front side. Now I decreased 3 times, so now I will decrease all these 3 in one time. One, 2 and 3. Now pull the loop all of it. Now make double crochet till to the end. Now make a slip in the third one. See? Now I made a slip stitch in the end. Now I will stitch all the stitches together. Turn the boot in the wrong side. Now start stitching from this side. My all stitches. Turn the boot to the right side. This shoe is for 0 to 3 months. Now I will change the yarn and make single crochet all over. Make single crochet in all stitches. From here all around till to the end. Now again change the color. Cut the yarn. Chain 1, make single crochet in the same stitch and make single crochet in another stitch and make single crochet in all stitches like before, all around. Now from here till there. Now my shoe is ready. See how beautiful it is. Very easy to crochet. Cut all the extra yarn. You can put a beautiful bow on it. See. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in another video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Now my shoe is ready. See how beautiful it is. Very easy to crochet. Cut all the extra yarn. You can put a beautiful bow on it. See. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in another video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.